What's up guys, it's James from SeekaHost. In this video we're going to be looking at how we can import any of our web properties over from the Google Search Console to the Bing console quickly, easily and without any fuss. So if you've watched any of our previous videos, if you haven't, link will be in the description, but we show you how to verify your property on Google Search Console and then how to add your sitemaps on Google Search Console. However, it is of course better for SEO, people to find you. You're going to get much more traffic if you're listed on Bing as well. It's a popular search engine, people use it, so why not be listed on there too? To do this is actually way quicker and easier than you probably thought it is. It's all done very automatically, and we're going to get started by coming over and searching for Bing Search Console. You're going to find the Bing Webmaster tools. When I click on this, I'm going to be automatically signed in because I've already signed in on this. However, for you, just sign in on the same Google account that you use to create your Google Search Console. That's important because that will allow for the easy integration and for you to migrate the properties. Once you're signed in or you created your account, it's completely free. Again, use your Google ID or your Google email that you used for Google Search Console. We're going to come over to the top left and we're going to check out our properties. Here we're going to go to Add Site. Now, of course, you could do this manually, but however, you've already got it on the Google Search Console, you've signed in with the same email, it's the same account, so you can now bring it over. Very cool. Of course, you can do it manually, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to click Import, and this is very proficient in finding ones that you haven't listed already. And then I've selected the email that I want to choose, or that's associated with this property. So let's go ahead and allow. It's now going to filter through and it's going to find any that I haven't already. So it's not showing me my entire list that I've got on Google because I've already uploaded most of them. It's found the only one that I haven't uploaded to the Google Search Console and it's listing it right there. Now it's going to be very simple and easy. We're simply going to click import and it's going to do everything. The best thing is that if you've already uploaded your sitemaps, if you haven't, again, check out the link in the description. We show you how to do that in the video, but it's going to import that as well. So if I now go over to the property and I click on sitemaps, we should see exactly the same information. Obviously it's processing because we've just moved it over, but it's grabbed all of that data from the Google Search Console and brought it over to Bing as well. And that's all it takes, guys. That's literally it. You can of course do it manually, however, just importing them, it's quick, it's automatic, you can use the same account, easy to sign in, and if you're looking to create a page for your sitemaps, which is quite often done, especially for large sites, places that also just want to get indexed faster, it's better for your SEO and it's easier for your users to find stuff if they can't find it in the menu, make sure to click on the video popping up now, which shows you exactly how to create a sitemap for your website. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.